Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your satellite plan and that you have the modem, dish, and mounting kit. This ensures compatibility and avoids last-minute returns. Once you have everything, pick a mounting spot with an unobstructed sky view. Trees, roofs, and chimneys block signal. Use a compass or app to roughly aim toward the satellite arc, and make sure power is off while you mount hardware, so you stay safe and prevent equipment damage. Once the dish is mounted, rough aim it to the provider's azimuth. Then fine-tune while watching the signal meter or router status to maximize signal strength. After you have a strong lock, connect the coax to the modem and power it up. Wait for the activation lights, and follow your provider's activation portal or call. Make sure to configure Wi-Fi SSID and strong password, enable firmware updates, and turn on the modem firewall to secure your network from the start. You finish by testing throughput and latency from devices in typical use spots. Run tests at different times to see congestion effects. If speeds are low, make small dish adjustments, check elevation, and remove nearby obstructions. These steps improve signal-to-noise. If things go wrong, power cycle the modem and dish, inspect connectors for corrosion, and confirm the provider status. If signal is still missing, escalate to tech support with your signal logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.